In places where the worst has happened, you so often find the best examples of humanity. The hope, optimism, pride and beauty that we found here took us by surprise.
My name is Albert Musabyimana. I'm here as a representative of Peace and Hope Initiative, which is really helping the vulnerable people in our community. It happened in '94, where our parents and the family has been killed by neighbors. I lost all of my family and extended family, and I was 16 years. I had to assume a lot of parenting. My two sisters, one was 2, another was 5. It was really difficult to me to manage, but God helped me. That's why also I'm trying to see what I can help to other people.
After meeting with Albert, we all felt a bit more wholesome by the very little we were able to do for this community, thanks to the eye clinics we run in conjunction with Mercy Ships.